Hey, party people! Thank you very much for joining me on another episode of Fifi Plays The Flame in the Flood. So, in the last episode, we didn't really get anywhere story-wise, so because of that, I'm going to play this episode a little bit differently than how I've been playing it, um, in the past, few episodes. And I'm going to be pretty much editing out the majority of the adventure unless I find something particularly interesting or I finish a quest or I get something that has to do with the storyline. So yes, please let me know what you think of this new style of editing, and yeah, I will see you all when something interesting happens. Oh, would you look at that? Alright, I'm just gonna sleep for an hour so this pig will leave me alone, and then I'll talk to this survivor. What are the chances? This is literally the same island that I was just on. Anyways, let's talk to this gravekeeper. Cockatoo. Ooh, nice tattoos. Ah, a person. The alive kind. Ain't just in my mind for a change. One might think that'd be more reassuring. Hello? Nuts. Yes, hello. Apologies. Sometimes I forget the art of conversation. I help you with something? Up to trade anything? Pardon my rudeness. Be willing to give you this. No need for nothing in return. Found it. Left behind. Reckon so. Good, good. Don't respect the past. You ain't earned right to the future. Better take my leave. Keep your head up, you hear? Will do. Thanks. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Why does that tombstone have my name on it? Should I be looking into this? Is this a conspiracy? I'm scared. I'm going to leave you now because that's really creepy and I don't like it. Don't like that at all. Thank you, sir. I will be leaving forever. Whoa, what the frick? There's a freaking bear. I don't want it. I don't want it. Please don't kill me. But you know, that bear would probably provide more insulation than what I'm getting with... Hold on. Let me make all the spear traps I can. Okay. I'm gonna try to take on this bear, y'all. Wish me luck. Alright, I think I'm gonna... Okay, alright, it went back to sleep. I think I'll bring it around here. It's probably gonna take quite a few spear traps to bring this down. I'll put up 5 just to be on the safe side. how many is that? 4? I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I'm gonna do one more just in case. Just in case it doesn't go down. Alright. Alright, take a deep breath. And now we will try not to die. Okay? Okay. Hey, bear. Hey. Daisy, don't attack the bear. Hello? Come on. Hello? Are you gonna chase me? Are you gonna chase me? Hello? Am I gonna have to, like, hit you on the nose? Yeah! Yep. That got him. Okay. 1, 2. Dang! You looked a little hurt there, bud. Uh-oh. Are you dead? Is it dead? Yeah, baby! We killed our first bear! Nice. Okay, so 4 traps. Are there any babies? Is there babies in here? A repair bench! Oh my god, yes! Why are you hoarding that? I could have had this the whole time. Alright, enjoy your meals, bro. Enjoy your meals, pros, I should say. Alright, that was so cool! Can I make, like, bear stuff? Oh, right! Didn't I see this before? I completely forgot about it. Leather kit. I thought I did have leather kits. Did I seriously use them all? Dang it. Well, that sucks. Haha! Hell yeah! I guess having snakes on here is gonna be pretty good. Don't even need to build my own traps with snakes around. Alright, and this gives me the perfect opportunity. No, not that one. Ugh. Yes! That's what I like to freaking see! That's how you utilize this game. Fit the natural dangers against each other rather than them coming after you all the time. That's what I like to see. Coming up to another marina. Freshwater Station. Ooh, we can make a frame or a purifier. I mean, we're pretty good on the water right now, so let's just do the frame. Look at that, it looks beautiful, and let's get some major repairs in there as well, because it looks awful. And then moderate. Okay, check me out. I just need one more thing for the purifier, and then my raft is completely upgraded, and it's at 100%. I mean, I may as well while I'm here. Top up and then get some more gas. Perfect. hide, I don't need it. Rabbit hide I still need because I need to make the leather kit. Oh, and I also need nuts and bolts for that. Okay, so we'll keep our eyes open for a hardware store. Yes! Alright, what should we do first? I think I'm gonna do the boots, because I always like doing boots first. Alright. This is 18, and the wolf's was 14, so maybe I'll just discard that. We are freaking killing the game right now, seriously. Okay, so to make this, I need one more hardware, and I can make it! Heck yes! And do you know what that means, everybody? That means we have a water purifier, and that is 100% complete. Our raft is done. Look how beautiful it looks. It's got extra storage, a shelter, a rudder, a motor, a firmer base, stove, and like everything we need to ever survive. So it's fantastic. I am pleased, and I'm thinking since I have so many extra jars anyway, rather than toss them out, I'm just gonna fill them with gas every time we get to a marina, and hopefully I'll never run out of gas. So let's continue. Zapasnik. The Pasnik. I like that. Why would it tell me to get a quest for pouch making when I can't? I have already maxed out my inventory. Yes. Thank God. Make them all. Fear traps for days. Let's make them all. Good. Now I have enough for 2 bears. Okay. No, jeepers. Oh my god. Are those children? Like, younger than me children? Hello? Feral children. Great. Alright. Peeps, gens, Romer come. Meet well, Romer. I be Zooey, he be gens. Who the two of you? I be Scout, he be Aesop. Actually that's wrong. I chose Daisy, not Aesop, at the beginning, so I'm gonna change that dialogue. I be Scout, she be Daisy. No drool, gents. Named critters not to eat. Nice company, well spoke. You two out here on your own? I mean, they seem like they're doing pretty well. Nope, whole forest full. Critters all over. Us two only talker kind. Been this long while, since the steady went up away. You two know where everybody went? I don't care that your brother doesn't speak a lot, because I understand that. Saw him go, waved him by. The story goes this way. Boats in the air, real big, this big. Wah! They come, take away all the steady. Steady? Parents, teachers, doctors, church mouths, all true blue, all go whoosh, till all that's left is striplings. Striplings? Huh, you don't say. Babes in woods, left to fend, left to die, but no, goes to show. Sibs, watch out. Help trap, help cook, knits in here, no more. That's us, Sibs. Sibs is good backwatchers. Good as idea as any. That probably means good idea as any. There's a couple of typos in this game. Now you smart like us, brain polished. Watch your back too, than you do for others. My brother rigs up snares to hunt. Want one? Heck yeah! Free food! No woe, belly's call, time to hunt. Caretake. Be seeing you. Aw, I like those kids. They're the favorite ones that I've had so far. That I've met so far, I meant to say. Did they actually give me anything though? Oh yeah, I guess there's a snare here. Okay, cool. Thanks, kids. You keep on surviving. Oh, look it, we made it to region 7 of 10, the yard. Severe rapids ahead, boating hazard. Oh, great. Well, that's okay, because that just means we'll get to our destination faster, right? Woo! That was close. Is it going to be rapids the whole time? Because that's kind of fun, actually. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Ah! Oh, no! No! What? I can't. What the heck? I can't get past here. Are you serious? What? I just... No! Wait, what? What the heck? I just finished upgrading this. Are you serious right now? It's broken. It's completely shattered. Stuff only. Okay, phew. At least I still have all my stuff, so I can, I guess, start from scratch, but geez, seriously. I just put on the final thing. My poor stove. I'm so sad. This sucks, man. Angel Gate. Oh, well, I guess I, made it to my destination anyway, so I guess... Are we gonna continue on foot from here on out? That would be an interesting change of pace. Quincy... What? Quincy Collie. Welcome to Angel Yard. Looking a mite soggy there, friend. That raft's pretty much done for. Yeah, but I made it! I made it! I made it what it is. I upgraded it, and I found everything, and now I'm sad. Made it. Can't say you made it much of anywhere. Look around. The radio said to head here. Don't know much about that. Just old buildings, junk, a mess of wild animals. You mean to head inland? I'd strongly advise against it. Better take a peek. That gate behind me? Bunch of hungry critters back there. Just some old junk further back, I guess. Maybe that's what you're looking for? Reckon so. I mean, this is where the radio told me to go, so... Ain't gonna stop you, but you best be ready for a fight. I seen snakes, wolves, and bears roaming around back there. Appreciate the tip. Thank you. Seen enough loss to boldness in my time. Hope you live to tell the tale. Be seeing you. Thanks a lot for your confidence. Alright, so... Before we head in here, I'm going to tell you all about this thing that I'm going to try experimenting with. If I get the wolves and the boars to meet, then they'll fight. But from what a rocket ship? The hell? Am I going into space? Is this game about to take a really weird turn? Because that would be really funny. Anyway, as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, I cut it out, but I watched I watched a boar and a wolf fighting for quite a long time, and they are at completely equal strengths, so they can't kill each other, unfortunately. But a bear, on the other hand, might be strong enough to kill things. So, whoa, look at all these saplings. It's almost as if they knew that I was going to lose my raft. I'm very butthurt about it. Evacuation. Need any more rags? Actually, you know what? Maybe I do need rags. I used up quite a lot of bandages. Can I go in here? No. No, I can't. That would have been cool. Okay. Oh man. I haven't found a bear yet. Can you just relax for a second? Just chill until I find a bear, okay? Ha! Better stay out of its way, though. Don't want it coming to me once it's done with those wolves. Cool, though. I've never been able to actually see the river from here. Oh, hey, I have enough spear traps now. May as well set them up in advance, I guess. I'm gonna kill that bear and use its pelts to make myself a nice hat. So the bear is gonna take care of all of those wolves, if my hypothesis is correct. And I will take care of the bear. It was only 4, right? I think it was only 4. Why are my spear traps not going down? Do I have unlimited spear traps now? Oh, it was going down. Okay. Hello? Oh, you're done? Okay, cool. Oh, nice. You did kill the wolves for me. Thanks, friend. Now, where are all the other ones? Oh, yeah. I knew it! That's what I like to see. Hey, boar. Want to come chase me? No? Okay, fine. I don't even care. You're just a jerk. Now, there were 3 wolves, I think. So where's the last one? Ah, here it is. who is hidden behind that thingamajig. Okay, bear. It's time to come at me. Come on. Keep it coming. Uh-oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're supposed to go in a straight line. Ha 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 ha. I will take your skin. Thank you very much. And you must have really good stuff in here. Oh, the inventory's full. Okay, hold that thought then. Spoiled meat, that can get discarded. Berries, I'll discard those as well. Alright. I'll take that. And, ooh, a note! Let's see what it says. Takes a long time to read it. I bear unfortunate tidings, friends. Rockets are dead. Ain't no way off this world. Not no more. No use crying about it neither. There's a place for you. The kingdom offers salvation for all left behind. Head south to the sea. That's what you'll find. All right. Fantastic. At the kingdom lies salvation. I need to travel to the open ocean and find this lost city. Dang, that sounds mysterious and adventurous. I like the sound of that. The kingdom. Great, just hold off for a minute. Let me collect my things, okay? Alright. Unfortunately, my raft is busted, so how am I gonna get to the ocean? That's what I'd like to frickin' know. I mean, I guess I could swim, or I guess I could make a new one, but... No way! I was only gone for like 5 minutes! How did you do this? Look who's here. Knew you had sand. Even took the liberty of patching up your raft. I'm touched! Oh my god! You didn't have to do that for a complete stranger. Find what you were after. Found this note. It mentions the kingdom. Very, very interesting. That old cock and bull story? Not a sort of thing I'd put much stock in. Tall tale, I'd wager. Helps folks sleep at night to think there's a better life. A better life? It's supposed to be some place where people are still living, being decent to each other. Plenty of food to go around, nobody's sick or prone to precipitousness. Might far-fetched, you ask me. Don't buy none of it. Rather stay put here, lead a simple life. Noted. Still, I'll take my chances. Suit yourself. Stay as long as you want, though. Always nice to have a pup around. Lost mine ages back. Still miss her something fierce. Did you fix my raft because I remind you of your daughter? Because if that's the case, you're gonna make me cry. I best be on my way before I start sobbing. Oh man. You're a good person. You're a good soul. I hope that you have a good rest of your life. That was so sweet. Anyway. Catfish Hollow. Desolate wasteland. Occasional camps and churches. Region 8 of 10. Okay. Well, that was a really quick region, even with all the stuff that I skipped. So I think when I get to the next island, I'm going to end this episode, and then maybe the next episode will be the last one. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, that was a perfect, Lorelei's Lament. I am so happy about that. We're almost done the game. We have our raft still, which I am literally overjoyed. Like, I was about to quit this game. Like, so I'm glad it all worked out. And I still have all my stuff in storage, and everything is good, and everything is good. And I'm gonna make a bear hat because I like it. And I'm gonna wear my bear hat because I wanna. Okay, fantastic. So, yeah, I'm gonna end this episode here. It's glitching out anyways. Okay, Smitty, you're done looking in your backpack now. You can stop now. I guess not. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here anyway. So, thank you all very much for watching this episode, and I hope that you enjoyed. And I hope to see you all in the next episode, which I hope will be the last one in this series. So have a wonderful rest of your day. Mwah.